Do you set your out of office manually every week? What if you could automate it for one day automatically? I'll show you how using Power Automate. In this video, we'll create a flow in Power Automate that sets your out of office automatically on a specific day every week. This saves time and ensures you never forget to activate it. Go to Power Automate and click Create, then Scheduled Cloud Flow. Name your flow, choose the day of the week you want it to run, and set the time. Click New Step and search for Outlook. Select Set up Automatic Replies, B2. Here, you can type your out-of-office message. For the start and end times, set the same day for both to make it active for a single day. Use Europe Standard Time as the time zone to match UTC+2. To test the flow, I set the time to the current time so I can see it working immediately. And I receive the automatic reply to myself. Once confirmed, you can change the start and end times back to the correct day and hours for your weekly schedule. Test the flow to make sure it works. You will see Outlook automatically update your out of office on the chosen day. This simple automation saves time, reduces mistakes, and ensures you never forget to set your automatic reply again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your own Power Automate flows.